Children, welcome to another geography class. Let's begin our today's class with a very simple and wonderful thought. If you focus on results, you will never change. So, if you will always focus on the results, you will never change the situation. But if you focus on the change, you will always get good results, isn't it? So, if you go on looking out for any change, you will definitely get good results. Let's begin our new lesson number 8, that is natural resources. Okay, natural resources, all natural things which are available around us, they are said to be the natural resources. Okay, the natural things which we use for our daily requirement, for our daily needs, they are said to be natural resources. So things available in nature, basically in the environment, we use naturally, they are called natural resources. Like wood is the natural material which we get from the plants, but we need that wood in our everyday life, so that is a natural resource. Okay, the things which we get from the nature. Examples like air, water, soil, land, minerals, plants and animals. Okay, these are some of the basic examples of the natural resources which we get in the nature around us. Like air, of course we get naturally, water also, soil, land, minerals. Just in the last two lessons, we talked so much about the minerals. Minerals, the natural material, natural substance which we get in the nature. There are to be minerals. Rocks are made up of various minerals, remember in the lesson rock and rock types, they are the minerals. Of course you get them naturally. Plants we need as a food, so that is again the natural resource. Animals, so yes, we are dependent on animals, of course that is again a natural resource. A resource which will never deplete is air. But out of all these natural resources na, air is the only natural resource which will never finished up, which will never deplete, means कधी कमी नहीं होना. Okay, so it will never finished, it will never get finished, it will always be there. So most of the natural resources are limited in nature and therefore they are invaluable. Yes, they are limited in nature, but other natural resources, they are limited, they will get finished one or the other day, so they are invaluable ज्याला आपण म्हणतो की invaluable, दुर्मिळ आहेत ते. If they will get finished off, we will never get them back, we will never have them again, so they are said to be invaluable resources. Air is the natural resource which we need right from breathing to burning. Yes, for breathing you need oxygen, again you get that from air, and for burning also again you need oxygen, isn't it? If you want to burn something, you need air, isn't it? So right from breathing to burning, you need this natural resource, that is air. Let's start with the uses of other natural resources. So here comes the first natural resource, that is land. Now let's see what are the uses of land. In the soil, you know very well why land or the soil is needed. Because land, first of all, you need, or we need to have our food. Because no, in the soil, farmers grows various crops and fulfills his own as well as others' need for food, isn't it? Yes, farmers grows various crops, farmers grow food on the land, so we get our food from the land itself, isn't it? Soil formation mainly depends, but how is the formation of soil, children? It mainly depends upon original rock, so it depends what kind of rock it is. Okay, so because you know soil is formed from, basically what soil is formed from the rocks, you know, the rocks, they will get break into particles, fine particles, and that's how you get the soil. So it also depends on the original rock, what kind of rock it is, igneous rocks, metamorphic, sedimentary, whatever kind of a rock it is. So that is the first thing. Then climate, of course, what kind of a climate is there, soil also depends on that. Like in the desert region you see a different type of soil, in the marshy region you see a different type of soil, in the forest area you see a different type of soil. Organic components, the we can say organic components is nothing but the chemical substance, isn't it? Yes, whatever things which will flow along with the water and air, they are all organic components. Organic things is what chemicals we can say. Then and slope of the land also, and time is the main factor, because it takes lot of time for the formation of soil. It's not a fast process, it's a very slow process, so it takes time for the formation of soil. So slope of the land, because you know very well big rocks, they flow from the slope of the mountain. So if the slope of the mountain is good, then there we can see the formation of soil. So it also depends on the slope of the land. Okay, a long period is needed for the formation of soil. Okay, so this is what, so basically land is needed for farming, from where we can have the food. And soil formation, it mainly depends on the original rock, climate, organic components, just now I said chemicals, and then slope of the land and time, because it's a very slow process, it needs time for the formation of soil. Okay, so this is all for your short lesson for geography, children. We will again continue with the same lesson in the next period. Okay, so till then, bye to all of you.